Hey, what is going on, everybody? My name's Noah, and this is like my fourth take of this video already because I don't know exactly what to say other than that. I posted an unboxing video of this new laptop I got, which I'm recording this on, so I can't really show you. Here, can I show you in the reflection of this? You can see, oh, look, there's my laptop. Yeah, you can't see that. That's terrible. I'm still terrible at production values. And I posted the video just kind of on a whim, I think, because I'd been in lockdown, not quarantine, but shelter in place, whatever, and been really just kind of thinking about stuff and deep in my own head and kind of missing community and people, and just got kind of a whim to unbox the laptop, and some people watched it, and thank you for those of you who did, and thank you extra for those of you who commented, because the comments, like, it's hard to explain what it did for me, but it gave me this feeling of community and connection that I've been missing. And y'all are my people. And it was super cool to get comments and to write back, and it really lifted my spirits a lot. So thank you. And it made me go back to some old comments and made me like look into YouTube a little bit more, and just there are tools now that weren't available when I used to do this all the time, that made it easy for me to see all the comments that I've missed. And I went through and replied to some, not all, but super cool. And so this video is kind of for the folks out there, for everybody, but in response to the people who were like, come back, make more videos. And so I'm asking you, what kind of videos should I make? I'm not in the loop as much as I used to be about the latest and greatest in phones and gadgets and technology. And that doesn't mean I couldn't try to get back into the loop, but I can't just like send an email and get, Verizon or HTC, whoever, to send me the latest phone. And I don't know that I necessarily want to do that, but I do like the thought of making some more videos because it's fun. And like I said, it's mostly, I apologize if this is shaky. The laptop's on my knees. I just did this kind of impromptu. And so it's shaking around. I'm getting all excited and my knees are trembling and so, yeah, like that. But I like the idea of making some more videos, and it would be cool to know from you all like what kinds of stuff you'd like to see, and if it's retro reviews of like phones, that's one thing. If it's new stuff, tell me what kind of new stuff. If it's not phones, I don't know. I need some ideas. I'm open to it. I like the idea, but all I've got left kicking around is an old iPhone SE and an old BlackBerry Bold. This wasn't the OG Bold. This is the Bold that then they put like the touchpad on. This might even be a touch screen. I don't even know. And look at this one, Samsung Galaxy Note 5. I think we're on to like the Galaxy S 2000. So that's like 1995 generations. No, I don't know, but it's old. So I need some help. If you would like to see me make some videos, give me some ideas, and let's see if we can figure this out, because it would be fun. I don't know that I'm going to up my production game because I was never any good at it, and but I'm open to like working with people. I'm open to all kinds of stuff. The world has shifted so much so fast. Um, that has nothing to do with anything, but it's just making me think like I like doing this. So what can we do? So leave some comments, hit me up, let me know. Mostly, be well, stay safe, stay healthy, take care of each other. Um, Live the life that you believe in and help others do the same. And, let's make this world a better place. There's my little speech. But leave some comments, video ideas. Let's do it.